Alright guys, my phone's probably about to die, but just trying to get to the gym. It's bad out here, man. It's so bad. It's a state of emergency. I done fell in like 2 ditches on the highway on 78. I'm on the way to get my mom because my little putt-putt ain't moving out here. And the crazy thing about it, man, all these big old trucks blowing the horn like you got big freaking wheels like them, man. So I never made it to the gym. I got into the gym parking lot and I was like, yo, I'm gonna get stuck in here. And there's no freaking parking in the street. So I'm gonna go home, charge my phone, and probably, vlog more. So wish me luck, guys, because it's real out here, man. And anybody in the tri-state, or anybody watching this from Newark, New Jersey, or New York, or Connecticut, or anywhere, yeah, tri-state, you know what I'm talking about. Like, I got this bus on my heels now, man. It's crazy, man. I took my mother to work this morning. And it wasn't even like this. It was like 6 something in the morning. I didn't think it was gonna be like this. And it came back and bite me in the behind. Let me tell you why. Cause I was in Walmart last night with my son's mother, and I was laughing. I said, "Look at all these people grabbing all this food and milk and water, like it was nothing. No bread, no nothing in Walmart last night." And I'm laughing. I said, watch it probably be like a couple of fairies or flurries, I should say. A couple of flurries and look at this. Ain't nothing flurry about this. Look at that. Look at that. Ain't nothing flurry about this. Driving in slow motion, man. And I'm on the way to go get my mom. Trying to figure out how I'm gonna get up these hills. Oh man, this is crazy, bruh. Yo. Snap. Yo. I don't know, man. Cause they not really cleaning the windshield, as you can see. This is my baby right here, man, getting me through this snow, man. You know how many people were stuck? You know how many times I almost was stuck? But she found a way, man. Just get me home, baby. Just get me home. Let me get Mom Dukes. Go home. Do some calisthenics. You know what I'm saying? And some calisthenics. Cook some food. Eat. I don't have no Netflix account, so I'll be demand on the remote control. Find me some whack movie, or go on YouTube. That's what I usually do. Go on YouTube and search stuff up, man. And get some motivation stuff going on to keep me pumped. The motivation speakers, man. Les Brown, one of my big bros, one of my OGs put me on. Les Brown, man, he's a super dope motivational speaker, yo. Now look at this, guys. I'm gonna try to get up this hill and get to my mom. I am shook, B. I am shook. Lord, help me get up this hill. We got a little bit of dry ground here. I might get up there, baby. Let's go! Come on, I need some more dry ground. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, I don't want to get stuck, man. Let's go. I don't want to get stuck out here, man. And have to walk out here. And I got some boots on, but I got one pair of socks. Now you know. Now y'all know when you out here with one pair of socks on some boots and it's snow and it's cold, it's like we're walking around barefooted. Yo, God is amazing. This car right here, man. This car right here in the snow. Look at this. I don't want to hit my man. Look at this right here. This NJIT over here. I made it all the way up here. I'm about to go get my mom's. Yo, this is crazy. Then we gotta go all the way back home. Yo. Oh my God, man. Lord, let me get home. Come on, baby. Hit this left. Hit this left. Hit this left. Come on. Yo, we moving. We moving. We moving. Let's go, baby. Let's go get Mom Dukes. Yo, what's going on, man? We don't want to be stopping. Yo, I'm over here vlogging in a car in the snow. Tri-State, man, you out here with me. Yo, man. Oh, man, these red lights be killing me. So, excuse my hand, guys. I'm using my iPhone. Yo. Man, this is crazy. If you out here in the snow, man, be safe. Well, by the time you see this video, by the time you see this video, you know, by the time I upload it onto YouTube, I mean, you made it. And if this, let's go. Oh, come on, girl, let's go. Come on. Come on, baby, let's go. Come on, man. Damn. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. I'm like 2 miles away where I need to be. Come on, baby. Let's go. Somebody over there in Tampa or somewhere in Florida, like, what is he doing out there? California, like, is he? I'm about to run this red light. I'm gonna keep it real with you. Oh, come on, baby. Come on. Ah. Somebody call me, and I'm stuck. Hey guys, it looks like I'm stuck, and until I figure it out, since it's Throwback Thursday, check out this video I posted back in November on my definition on cool punk. Good morning, guys. You already know what it is. Cardio time. Let me tell you, I don't listen to secular music like that no more, right? But I remember 50 Cent called Jay-Z the cool punk. He's the cool punk dude. And let me tell you, the cool punk dude, my definition of cool punk guy, what I do. The cool punk dude to me is the guy that always talk about what he used to do. Oh yeah, I used to do that. I used to lift that. I used to play basketball back in the day. And he get the cool punk. points. Oh yeah, he used to be nice. Nah, what you doing now? Anytime somebody come across me and I tell them what I do, or oh yeah, I used to do that. I don't want to hear that. Man. What you doing now? Oh yeah, when I was there, I was lifting like this. What you doing now? I don't care what you did when you was 17 years old. Especially my age bracket. I'm 38 years old. And it's always I used to do. I call those to me, those the cool punk dudes, man. Oh, you only lifting that? You come do it right now. Those the cool punk dudes to me. So, watch out for those cool punks, man. Them cool punk dudes that like to get glory for things they did yesterday. What you doing right now, bro? But you know, stay motivated. Don't let the cool punk dudes try to bring you down, you know what I'm saying? Come on, baby. Oh, damn. Come on, baby. Come on. Woo! Let's go! Let's go! Get me out the snow, man. Yo, I thought I was almost stuck. Oh my goodness. Yo, man, it ain't over. It ain't over. I can't see for real. Oh my God. Oh, come on, babe. I gotta hit this left. I gotta hit this left. Made it to mom's job. What up, guys? We made it back home. Whoa. It was so crazy out there, man. And it was crazy out there. Snow was all over the place. It's getting thick. I'm switching gears. I wound up picking my mom's up when the phone died. We went to the corner store. The plow came. I had to move, turn around. It was crazy, man. Then I had to go back around and pick her up and do all this craziness, man. All this craziness, and I didn't even get to the gym. And so I'm gonna do some calisthenics around here. I just ate my first meal. Sorry, the phone still was charging. It was fish and vegetables, believe me when I tell you. And I don't have Netflix, so I'm about to get into some YouTube. That's what I already watch anyway, YouTube and stuff like that. So, and let's see what I can get into. Oh, we got a text message. And see what I can get into for the rest of the day. See you in a second.